on religion by Kahlil Gibran. And an old priest said, "Speak to us of religion." And he said, "Have I spoken this day of aught else? Is not religion all deeds and all reflection? And that which is neither deed nor reflection, but a wonder and a surprise, ever springing in the soul, even while the hands hew the stone or tend the loom? Who can separate their faith from their actions, their belief from their occupation? Who can spread their hours before them, saying, this for God and this for myself, this for my soul and this other for my body? All your hours are wings that beat in space from self to self. And they to whom worshiping is a window to open but also to shut, has not yet visited the house of their soul, whose windows are from dawn to dawn. Your daily life is your temple and your religion. Whenever you enter into it, take with you your all. And if you would know God, be not therefore a solver of riddles. Rather, look about you, and you shall see God playing with your children. And look into space, and you shall see God walking in the clouds, outstretching arms in the lightning and descending in rain. You shall see God smiling in flowers, and then rising and waving hands in the trees.